cleaning my room. See the way I'm sweating. I started cleaning this room since before I remember that I want to carry you guys along. So I am almost done. I'm almost done with the cleaning. Sometimes you forget that you are a content creator, and the funny part of this thing is that my tripod has spoiled. God, my tripod has break. The phone holder has break, and the tripod itself has break. I'm just managing this tripod for it to hold my phone. Like, I've not enjoyed this tripod at all. I have not enjoyed this tripod. This tripod is not even up to a year that I bought it. It don't break. I don't even know how it broke, but the phone, the other day, the phone holder mistakenly fell. The phone holder mistakenly fell from my hand and it broke, and now the tripod too, it has broke. I'm going to show you guys when I'm done cleaning this room so that you guys can see. If I want to go live now, I can't be able to go live with my tripod because the side I'm supposed to use for the live, it has broken. It's only this side that is this horizontal that is working now. Life of a content creator, it is not easy. So guys, this is the side that broke from my tripod. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. This is it. This side now is the place that is the side that usually it turns around for you to be able to change it to any position that you want. But since this one broke, it's only this side that is working, and this side I can't use it for live. I can only use it to film like YouTube videos, like which is horizontal. And this side I is supposed to make it to rotate. That's broke. And you guys see this knot that is supposed to tighten this stand. The thing has broke as well. I just use this carpet to tighten it down there. That is why I'm able to stand the tripod. You see construction why I don't do this afternoon, just for me to be able to use this tripod to film today. This is it. So this is the carpet I use. So let's tighten it back. Wow, now as I lose am now, the thing no tight again. I will have to do it again. Guys, I am making carrot stew for the first time. This is carrots. This is carrots. This is carrot. Oh, I saw it on YouTube and I decided to try it out today. And I think it came out so good. Like, it's very thick. The stew is thick. I want to off the fire. I want to off the stove now. Like carrot stew. Nothing person no go do. I just say let me try it out. Can you see this? I'm not just hyping this stew, but it tastes so. So you guys, this is my carrot stew. Let me turn it for you guys. You can see how yummy, sumptuous it is looking. Should I call it stew or socks? Anyone. So this is the carrot stew, and this is the white rice that we'll be pairing it with white rice and beans. See, person, come on, wait. I know they come out. You don't want me to do my video in peace. It's making noise. So yeah, let me dish this food. I can't wait to eat. I'm so famished. Oh yeah, Stephanie, come and say what you were saying before. Say it now.
You was happy before.
I was happy before.
Yes, nah.
So what happened today?
Today, now. Today. No, before you was not happy. Okay. But now you are happy now. Maybe that's give you money.
won't give me money.
Maybe somebody. Maybe your friend give you money. If they're happy, if they shake, if they're happy, if they dance. If they sing songs, sef.
So until somebody give me money before I will be happy.
If they don't give money, no go happy.
So I should be sad.
No. Yes, you be sad. No.
No, what? So why are you people complaining that I'm happy? Between the two of you, who so
Sad
fast
now.
each
You
other?
supposed to be sad.
Why would I be sad?
Before we was two of us was playing. And I said that us used to disturb you, say you lock the door.
Because people used to disturb.
You sad, so you don't sad. So now you don't happy. What kind of thing is that?
It's sad, you don't sad. English na your mate. Hey, whoa, see bunch of plates. This time around, it was bunch of plates. Now,
And this one.
So, this is me, and these are the little children telling me that I am very happy today. When you know that they don't see you finish, there is nothing like see finish. You see them, you see as they be like twins. They don't see me finish. They say these days I've been sad. It's true, I've been sad. Just that I've not been feeling too well. If you look at my neck, you will see say all my bone don't come aside. So I've been very, very sick. And these children here today, I've been so happy. I'm just thanking God Almighty for the gift of life, for everything. So today I've been so happy. I have been singing. I've been singing today. And these children decided to say that, why am I happy? That why?
Yes, because if you're happy, you don't think of me. Even me too.
I don't understand it.
If you're happy, you didn't think of two of us.
If I'm sad, that's what you say. If I'm sad, I don't think about people. Or if I'm happy. Shut up! But today I am fine. By the special grace of God, I'm doing so well today. So that is why I am happy. Okay? This is Yagre's country food. It's called what? It's called what?
Okay.
It's called kenke. It looks like stew.
Yeah, it's stew with fish.
And this is corn.
Spice of corn.
This is corn flour. Can you guys see?
Hey.
Now corn. So I want to test it too. So first time trying this out. My first time grace all the eba. Don't. So that is grace. Grace only that you this thing won't enter your mouth. This one what you don't do so yeah grace.
No, the peppers are not for all now.
Na pepper they take one.
The black pepper. Na pepper. Don't go the red one. Now don't go put small tomato.
Chimo. Hey.
I don't feel any pepper.
Cheese all.
If you.
It hot. If you why you go feel?
That lady they put plenty pepper for you.
No, not so.
Na so na dey do am. What and what be the mixture when I dey take cook am?
Yeah.
You still betty the take cook am. The thing hot o. Na stew na. Na stew.